Oh, that's why I don't play professional golf anymore. Look, hey, I'm Bill Faith. I'm the founder of Build STR Wealth, and I want to talk to you today about making things unique about your property. Yes, I'm a former golf professional. I'm 47, and if I was any good at it, I'd still be playing, getting ready for the Champions Tour. But you know what's really cool out here is I can come out here, and I don't play golf anymore, but I can hit some putts with my friends. I'm hosting a mastermind group here. All 10 of us were out here putting last night when the sun went down. It's beautiful backyard. Chris, if you can take kind of a gander around this entire backyard, these are things that are unique. Right behind him here, you can see there's a huge 60-inch television under this gazebo with a sitting area, with cornhole boards, with a bathroom. Over here, there's chase lounges around the pool, which is really cool. Beautiful palm trees, spa, nice PebbleTech waterfall pool, more seating areas. They've got basketball over here. There's an outdoor Tiga ping pong table, a huge dining table with heaters, seats 12. We had dinner there last night. Another seating area over there. Behind the house, there's another seating area, outdoor barbecue. There's a tremendous amount of things that are unique about this backyard. I'm in Scottsdale, Arizona, hosting a mastermind group. And I went through a million different houses. This one's $1,600 a night. There's 6,000 square feet, 8 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms inside. And it's just been absolutely fantastic because of the things that are unique, not only from the entertainment standpoint, but the seating areas, the kitchen, the design, and probably most importantly, the open concept space. It's hard to find with most Airbnbs, so I can put 10 people in a room so we can mastermind for 8 hours a day. What are you doing to make your house unique? That's one of my 7 golden rules that is really important that you have, is something unique about your home. And if you can get multiple things unique, could be like I do golf carts, I like kayaks, paddle boards, firewood, fire pits, all the things that most people charge additional for, I roll in to my Airbnb for a couple of reasons. One, it allows me to be unique and separates me from all of my other competitors. And 2, it allows me to increase my ADR, my average daily rate, which means more profit to go in my pocket. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing unique. And if you absolutely have loved this video, or even if I've helped you out with your hosting just a little bit, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below so you don't miss another video, and take a beautiful look at this wonderful backyard.